Yeah, I think that's a sign of things to come for the day. Oh, CJ spotted some shit, or he's just trigger happy. Trigger happy over there, CJ, mate.
Yeah. Mound. With a head pop on mound.
There's a bit of suppression on that mound, CJ, mate, while we're moving forward.
Right of them barrels. Top of mine.
Top of mind.
Yeah, I can keep them pinned down.
Right, I'm pushing, there's a wood crate in front. Just gonna push this wood crate.
Hold there.
Mind.
Hold there.
I'm not seeing anything, but there's got to be someone to the left, or it's heavy on the mound. I think we should go left, boys, because we've got a lot of fucking activity.
Just drop back and hold. We've got 3 flags.
Oh, chilling over.
Yeah, they're going pushing right, yeah? We don't want to get too distracted. We need to still hold this.
Just fall back behind me.
Mound, still on the mound, still on the mound. One middle mound. Keeps popping his head up, see? Pushing off the mound. Got him. Got him.
Oh, that stinks.
What?
Last week's kebab.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, it's in there for that long, isn't it?
Tasting that.
There's the spice.
Oh, we've got 4 here. We've got 5 here. Boys, we've got 5 on this flag. If we keep 3 and push 2. Yeah? Matt, you want to push?
Yeah.
Right, you hold with CJ and this guy to the right. Buddy on my right, hold this, yeah? The 2 of us are going to push. Where are we?
On the left. Yeah, and then barrels. Matt's directly in front of us on the left-hand side.
Do you want to push and shoot?
I'd say we hold. We've got 3 flags.
Yeah, but we've got a lot of fucking people here. If 2 of us move, we can try and pin them in.
That guy at the top of the mound. Going back to the mound.
Yeah, no face shield. Can't run a face shield with the helmet. This is much better. What have you got?
On the left, I can't see, I can just hear. Top of the mound.
Top of the mound. Just pop a few shots. What you seeing, Matt? What you got?
Mound.
Just the mound.
Top of the mound. Top of the mound towards the left side.
Fuck me, I can hear everything with these fuckers. What can you see, Jay? Still on the mound, Jay?
Yeah, it's in with a pink hat.
I think we should think about pushing, mate. We've got lots of cover on this.
We don't need to, we've got 3 flags.
Yeah, but if we push, we can proper fucking pin them.
Huh?
We can pin them.
We've got them pinned running the line along.
Huh?
We've got them pinned running the line along. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Watch yourself, mate, from that mound. Go on, Jay. Shoot him in the ass.
Right, stupid question. Guy with a pink out, who do you think he's going to hit at that range?
I don't know.
I can hit him from here.
He's a good lad, he is. He's a good lad, he's a good laugh.
That's the thing. I go back halfway, I can still hit him.
Yeah. If we just hold this, they can't really do much.
No.
Keep an eye on that right side as well.
Yeah, just watch your right in case they do a big push on the right. Give us a shout.
Yeah, we've got some guys on that side anyway.
Ah, cool.
Top of mound. 2 top of mound.
Oh, interesting.
Left side of mound.
Cover me, my fucking stocks come off.
Yeah. Still top of mound.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get with that range.
Pocket at top of mound.
You've got it, mate.
Hey.
Nice. Great distraction, then.
It was, mate, yeah, well done.
God, you stood here waving at him. Because his shots might be about 20 metres short of me.
Mate, that's fucking smart.
Got one of our guys right there.
Oh, mate, fucking bought a drone. Fucking bought a drone, mate, fuck it.
Well, it depends on what you class as drone.
Yeah, it's 30 quid. Run fucking quick UAV, mate, 7 minutes battery life it has.
Right in the window.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Go on, kid. Got one of our guys right down there.
Dark camo.
Jay. It's Jay.
Yeah, it's Jay, that is.
He's in front of the mound now.
How's your amplifiers doing?
Good.
He's just got the flag.
Oh, no, it isn't Jay, it's someone else.
He's just got it.
No, it's Jay.
No, Jay's here.
No, the other guy that's back.
What do you reckon, front shot?
Oh, he's working now.
Oh, the one coming down now?
Yeah.
CJ. One behind CJ, one behind him.
Yeah. CJ just got that flag.
As if I've raised that flag.
Well done, mate.
Sneaky bugger.
Yes, please.
Shoot you. Hey. Drone's out.
Left of that mound. It's Craig, left of the mound. Watch him because he's got bolt action. Also far left here. He's there. See him? See him?
No.
Popping his head up every now and again. Right on my 12, mate. There, look, moving right.
Shoot the drone.
Yeah.
Shoot that, Craig won't be happy. Shoot that, he won't be happy.
Mound, going up the mound.
It's a shame we can't clear him out from there. Just wait till the drone.
Oh, they've got to be going right.